how to make him hard again after he comes. He doesn't get hard for a second round. Men usually have a time where they cannot get another erection. So you have to wait. Sometime hours, sometimes the next day, depending on how young he is. If he's young, it could be 15 minutes or an hour, but men have a time period where they cannot have another erection. So it depends on how young they are, how healthy they are, in order for them to get another erection as well. Okay. So that is expected. It's not unusual at all. All right. That is expected. And the older they are, the longer is the time. For women, that doesn't happen. Women can have multiple orgasms at one time or multiple ejaculation at one time, but not for men. Is there a treatment for retrograde ejaculation caused after having surgery to get small portion of the bladder removed? Wow, you're probably having that because you probably have scar tissue that is preventing the prostate from propelling the semen out. So this is your bladder. So you said you had surgery to remove portion of your bladder. So your bladder, the urethra, the tube that comes out from your bladder goes through your prostate. This is your prostate here. And then the urethra, see this tube right here, goes through the penis, right? So when you have your bladder removed, this right here is called a seminal vesicle, which is where sperm is stored, which is then released into the prostate, and the prostate makes semen, the fluid that is mixed in with the sperm. So when you have bladder surgery, probably for the surgery itself, healing from the surgery, it caused scar tissue that is close to the prostate, and that way the scar tissue, it's affecting how the prostate propel the semen outside, but now it's going back. So what's happening is that there's scar tissue in there. So it would be worthwhile, and we can help you with this in the office, is that we do a prostate protocol to shrink the prostate. And then also you probably need a little bit of stem cell in the prostate to restore more blood flow as well. That's what we do. We inject in your own stem cell, your body, into the prostate to restore more blood flow. And then we also do the electromagnetic therapy from here into our rectal. So that way the prostate itself doesn't become swollen up, and that's what causes the retrograde ejaculation. But also don't neglect pelvic muscles. These are the pelvic muscles right here. And these muscles here are the muscles that contract and propel the semen to come out through the penis. So these pelvic muscles here can be weak. So when it's weak, it may not propel the semen to come out and also retrograde. So in our prostate protocol, we also do neuromuscular strengthening these muscles as well too. So we put a machine that does strengthening or contraction of the pelvic muscles here, and that will make it stronger so it can propel the semen out. So there's 3 different ways. The retrograde ejaculation usually it means that the prostate is not functioning correctly. And don't forget the pelvic muscle. These are what we call Kegel muscles, okay? These pelvic muscles wrap around the base of the penis, so it helps keep the blood inside the penis. Where can you get the penis pump? You can get the penis pump at ednomore.com, or check the link down below this video to get the penis pump so you can start exercising your penis again. Remember, you are only 1 pump away. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. So if you are pre-diabetic, overweight, have stress, and your diet is pretty poor, is that the main blame for the problem of ED, or is it all in the head? Well, it's probably the main blame for the problem of ED. It's not in your head, because if you fix your diet and follow the Mediterranean diet, this is the QR code I'm putting here. You'll see the free link to get the Mediterranean diet. Follow the Mediterranean diet. Your blood sugar will go down. you will lose weight. You will notice your erection improving and you will see a difference. Like I said, with 4 pillars of sexual health: diet, exercise, sleep, stress. So you are right on that there, that you're overweight, you're diabetic, and you also have stress. All you need to do is follow the Mediterranean diet, walk 30 minutes every other day, get your 7 hours of sleep, okay? And you will notice your erection improving. You will notice even morning wood. It takes about 90 days, to about 3 months for it to work. So it's not in your head. Trust me, it's not in your head. Your men with diabetes are 5 times more at risk to have ED than men without diabetes. And pre-diabetic, you're on your way to diabetes if you don't change your diet. But you are 5 times more likely to have ED than somebody that is not a diabetic. So your ED fix is simple. Follow the Mediterranean diet. Just eat chicken, fish, pork every day, and one of those. Eat less red meat. On your plate, fill half with vegetables. Any vegetable. Potatoes are actually very good, like baked potato. Don't put a lot of the garnishes on there. Don't put a lot of the butter and the sour cream and all of that on there. If you grill the potato or if you roast the potato, so if you cut the potato out, you just spray it with some olive oil, put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper on it, put it in the oven about 420 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes. Very tasty. Potato as a whole, it's actually very good. It's not considered a bad carb at all. And I just given you my favorite potato recipe. It will take you 10 minutes to make it. And you want to eat the potato with the skin on it as well. Simple. Just olive oil, salt and pepper, throw it in the oven. Or you can even throw it in air fryer and pick potato option, cook it. So essentially Mediterranean diet is more lean meat, more vegetables, eat fruit. Eat anything that the earth grows for you. The earth doesn't grow French fries. The earth doesn't grow a donut. Earth doesn't grow dessert. Eat what the earth grows for you, essentially. Just eat less red meat. But you can reverse your ED. Start now. And the last thing you want to do is to take Viagra or Cialis. Where can you get the penis pump? You can get the penis pump at ednomore.com or check the link down below this video to get the penis pump so you can start exercising your penis again. Remember, you are only 1 pump away. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. Where can I buy the penis pump? You can buy that at my store, Modern Man Crib, or you can just go to ednomore.com. There you go. That's where you get the penis pump. One last question. So this is the same question that's a follow-up from, can he have an erection? It takes him around 3 to 4 hours. That is totally normal. How come a man can't get another erection after he ejaculate? And I said, it's totally normal. And if it takes him 3 to 4 hours, totally normal. I mean, he's doing good at the normal time frame. So buy the pump at ednomore.com, guys. And man, I've given you a lot of wisdom today. What your takeaway is this, is that you can fix your ED. You don't need me. Honestly, you don't need me. You can fix your ED. My goal is for empower you to fix this yourself. Don't let ED run your life. And it's time you take control. But you have to do the work. It's like losing weight. You have to do the work to reverse it. There's no magic pill. There's no magic button. You have to do the work, guys. But you can do it. And there's 4 things. That's it. This is all you need to do. It doesn't cost you anymore. Well, maybe get the penis pump. I believe that the penis pump really, truly is your best weapon to exercise your penis. So the 4 things: diet, Mediterranean diet. The second is exercise, 30 minutes every other day. It didn't just mean walking. It didn't just mean walking around the parking lot, going up and down the stairs. Even just mean doing push-up. doing stand-up, whatever. Do exercise. Sleep 7 hours at night. Stop smoking, stop porn, and moderate your alcohol. And then stress reduction. And I know stress reduction is hard for men. My husband internalizes stress too. But if you exercise, that's a way of stress reduction. Or if you do stuff that make you feel happy, that's another way of stress reduction. Or doing yoga, doing meditation, such as box breathing, doing meditation, and then also do box breathing that I talked about earlier. But the one thing I want you to take away from this is that you are in control. Don't let ED run your life. Because I've seen many men give up. They give up too early. I want you to know what's possible for you. I want you to know that you can do this. It will take time, but you will see the result. How can people in the UK get you as their doctor? Because I love what you do for men. Follow me on YouTube. I give you all the things you need to do. Honestly, you don't need to see me. You don't need a doctor. All you need is probably a doctor to get blood work. That's it. Get blood work. But honestly, I just giving you the roadmap. I am. You don't need to see a doctor. You have ED, guys. All I want you to know is that you are in control, that you can do something about it. Don't let ED run your life. Get your blood work. Find out you're diabetic. Find out if you have high cholesterol, and find out if your kidneys are okay. Find out if you're anemic. That's how what blood work will help you with. In the way, you can really solve your ED by the 4 pillars: diet, exercise, sleep, stress. Really, honestly, that is your roadmap there. If you start now and be consistent every day, be consistent, you will see result. You will see result within 90 days. Some of my patients are seeing result within 6 weeks. And then you add the penis pump with that. Then you add the Good Morning Wood smoothie. Then you add the nitric oxide along with that. That will all help, but you still got to do the 4 pillars, which is fixing your own internal foundation, which is the diet and the exercise and the sleep. You got to fix that first. You don't fix that, no supplement will do. And use the penis pump. So you don't need to see a doctor. You just need to know what's possible. You just need to know that you don't need to be run by ED. You can control it, but you got to do the work. So I hope this is helpful. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I'm much appreciative if you do, because my goal is to show you what's possible. And my goal is to show you that you can do it and don't have to let ED run your life. Thank you so much for being with me. We'll hope to see you next time, and follow me on the channel at Dr. Ann Truong. Take care. Okay, modern men, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself, it's exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your term. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.